we also need to make it simple, so it contrasts with the water. So let's go back to the water. I will use a smaller brush. Maybe you can use a liner. The basic. This is the basic stiff brush in the 3 basics. Let me just use that one, and and use pretty wet. It's not you don't want to dry like the rock. Just draw with tip-centered stroke. You can start with light and then just use dark to charge the stroke. So you can just use light, very wet. So I can go a little quicker. And then you can charge it a little bit next to it. But I want to make it more moisture. And I don't make it even division. You want to make some part dense to suggest the rhythm. Also vary the length of each stroke. Because think about the gravity. A little bit shaking his hand is good. Okay.